Prevailing weather conditions in West Bengal change over seasons, and climate change aggravates the harsh environment, causing misery to millions of people living along the coastline. The quality and availability of water resources are also prone to erratic changes. Salinity ingress especially threatens water infrastructure as well as livelihood of people. Addressing problems in isolation without considering the challenges that affect other sectors may have a devastating effect on them all. Whether it's floods, drought, or water pollution, it is essential to manage water resources through convergence and integration among the various sectors. Via the Internet of Things, digital technology enables sensors throughout the landscape to be interconnected and provide solutions called digitalization and nature-based solutions. Through digitalization, a dense network of sensors collects and sends data on water to central servers under the state, where digital twins or replicas of the water areas can be developed for better monitoring and management. Flood and Salinity Forecast Early Warning System is a state-of-the-art solution developed under the TA, which gives 2 days forecasts on water and salinity levels in Roopnarayan River network through bulletins and dashboard. The data on digital twins helps to decode how nature is working. This helps different sectors to work together in developing solutions. For example, creating embankments which help to retain some of the fresh water which would otherwise be flushed into the sea. Furthermore, the release of water from dams can also be timed during high water, where salinity is the highest. All this is thoroughly monitored and managed through data systems, which then becomes a digital twin. Reservoir compartments are managed with digital systems, and the necessary size of the nature-based reservoirs is dependent on the required water supply during the dry season. The shallow water areas exposed to siltation in Roopnarayan at certain locations can be converted into reservoirs by engaging local workforce in building embankments from the sediment which is being extracted. During desiltation, the sediment can further be used as raw material for brick factories in the area, thereby creating avenues for employment. These embankments also serve as fish ponds, freshwater reservoirs, tourist destinations, etc. Such nature-based solutions are best developed in an integrated planning process with involvement of all key stakeholders from the various sectors and with domain experts from environment, groundwater, surface water, flood management, etc. Sketches of nature-based solutions along with establishment of monitoring and modeling for integrated coastal area and river basin management have been developed under the TA project.